Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse any website or use Google Play Store. For example, here all of the images don't load properly on your INFINIX Hot 11. So to do this, go to your settings, scroll down, system, date and time, use network provided time, and just select use network provided time. And now if we go back and for example here we'll open Amazon, it loads properly, and the same should be in Google Play Store. For example, let's open Netflix, and all of the images show here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.